morning, students. Back with your GK class. Up till now, we have completed the topic fitness and world and health. Now, let's start with the topic world around. So, today we will be covering three topics: scenic, train rides, famous waterfalls, and natural disasters. So, train rides, that is 10, page number 10. So let us go to page number 10. So scenic train rides. So these are the pictures of some train rides. You have to identify it. It is also known as the toy train, a 2 feet narrow gauge railway that runs between New Jalpuri and Darjeeling through dense jungle, verdant valleys, tea gardens, and forest of maple, chestnut, pear, cherry, and cardamom trees. So it is Darjeeling Himalayan Railway. Second, it runs from Mauritius icy alpine glaciers to the swaying palm trees of Tirano, Italy, on one of the steepest stretches of the track in the world, built without rack rails, pinions, or cables. So that is Bernina Express. Then is it links third is it links the colonial city of Cusco and the ancient Inca citadel of Machu Picchu. The train summits near the crest of Machu Picchu mountain where travelers are more than 7,500 feet above sea level. Coca, tea and oxygen are available in case of altitude sickness. So it is the Hiram Bingham Orient Express. Then is fourth, the 7-hour train trip runs across the wine-spit barren Hardanger Vida mountain plateau, the largest protected wilderness area in Europe. Later, it descends through lush valleys to the Hanseatic city. So, it is Bergen Railway. Fifth is Dash. The train operates through the Canadian Rockies in either direction to Vancouver from Banff, Lake Louise, or Jasper. Amazing natural beauty can be vouched like black lava, cliffs and canyons, glacial lakes, turbulent rivers, bighorn sheep, and maybe even a black or grizzly bear. So that is Rocky Mountaineer Train. Then is next one, sixth one. It is also known as Copper Canyon Railway. The 13-hour trip connects the mountainous and interior of northern Mexico with the Pacific coast, passing sheer canyon walls, waterfalls, high desert plains, and the imposing landscapes of the Sierra Tarahumara. So that is LCP. Seventh one, it is a 3 feet narrow gauge heritage railroad that operates 45.2 miles of track. It is a steam operated train that runs 18 miles per hour. The train was featured in 1969 movie Butch Cassidy and the Sundance Kid. So this is the Durango and Silverton narrow gauge. Then is eighth one, the Glacier Express. So this train connects railway station of the two major mountain resorts of Zermatt and Saint Mozit in the center of the Swiss Alps. It passes through the untouched mountain landscapes, gorges, dilated valleys, 91 tunnels, and across 291 impressive bridges. Then is ninth one, Trans-Siberian Railway. This you can see the picture with a length of 9,289 km. It is the longest railway line in the world. There are connecting branch lines into the Mongolia, China and North Korea. It has connected Moscow with Vladivostok since 1916 and is still being expanded. So that is Trans-Siberian Railway. 10th one, the a train almost half a mile long redefines luxury and comfort. It runs from Delhi to Mumbai and routing Agra, Jaipur, Udaipur and Ranthambore. The train coaches of junior suits are named after the precious gem Moti, Panna, Pukhraj, etc. So that is the Maharaja Express. Then is next topic, that is page number 18, famous waterfalls. So the dash identify these waterfalls and write their names. A gorgeous waterfall located on Zambia and Zimbabwe border. The water of Zambezi River falls down in a straight line for 354 feet. It is 5604 feet wide. Therefore, water spray rises very high and can be spotted from a far away distance. It is Victoria Falls. Second, Iguazu Falls. This fall is on the border of Brazil and Argentina. Not very high, just 285 feet, but very impressive at it has 275 cascades that form a horseshoe and stretch of 8858 feet. Third, Falls. It is the highest in the world, which falls down uninterrupted for 3,212 feet, located in Kanema National Park. It is protected by UNESCO. It is named after its discoverer, US aviator Jimmy Angel. It is Angel Falls. Fourth, it is Cattier Falls. It is 2 to 6 meter high when measured from its plunge over a sandstone and conglomerate cliff to the first break. The fall is situated in the middle of wilderness with no urban amenities. Fifth one, it marks US and Canada border. It is formed of two sections, the Horseshoe Falls on the Canadian side and the American Falls on the American side that are separated by an island. Water drops 173 feet in the Horseshoe Fall while the American Fall drops only 7,200 feet. That is Niagara Falls. Then is sixth one, that is Guelph Falls, Golden Falls, a magnificent waterfall located on southwest West Iceland. Due to receive the river Vita seems to disappear from the abyss. Seventh, it is Splitwise Falls. There are hundreds of waterfalls and water has to pass through many cascades. The color of the water varies from crystal clear to azure to turquoise. Eighth one, Yosemite Falls. So it is the highest fall. This you can see highest waterfall in North America. It drops 2,425 feet in Sierra Nevada, California. The source is melting snow. Sometimes the stream may cease due to the little amount of snow. Ninth is Sutherland Falls, located in Fiordland, which is 1902 feet. Plunge is one of the tallest fall in the world. It falls in three cascades that create its unique landscape. 10th is Nohokalikai Falls. Height of 1115 feet. This is the longest plunge waterfall in India. Below the fall there is from a plunge pool with unusual green colored water. So this completes your topic. Now last topic is natural disaster. Identify this disaster and write the name of the place where it happened. So in September 2015, Dash city was affected massively due to heavy and continuous rainfall. So it is Srinagar. During the first week of July 18 in Dash, the torrential downpours caused flooding and around 2 million people had to abandon their homes and retreat to safety. It is in Kerala. In 2011, Dash was recorded as the most powerful earthquake to have hit Japan, that is Tohoku. On 26 January 2001, when the entire nation was celebrating Republic Day, earthquake of intensity 7.9 on Richter scale devastated Gujarat. Then is next fifth one. In 2013, River Ganga was hit by a massive flood, which led destruction of Uttarakhand. Sixth, this cyclone, destructive cyclone in Hyber city of Korinja was in Andhra Pradesh. So this completes today's topic. We will meet next week. Thank you.